Okay, good morning, class, and welcome. And today I'm going to be showing you the platform Wakelet. Wakelet's going to be an option for you to use for your PBL project. It's a very easy way to display your work. So I just want to go through step-by-step instructions on how to create one. So when you first log into your Wakelet account, this is what it's going to look like. Mine looks a little bit different just because I've already created some Wakelets in the past that I'll show you an example of later in this video. But to begin, you're going to want to click this Create a New Collection button. It should be the first icon that pops up on your Wakelet account. From there, it's going to take you to where you can start creating it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a title for your Wakelet. This could be anything. It's based off of your own PBL lesson. So let me just put the example apples. Underneath your title, it's going to give you the option to put a description. It's up to you if you choose to or not. But for the sake of the video, we're just going to put apples are good. Now this is what's going to show up on your home page. It's going to tell you apples, and it's going to tell you a description, and as well as a picture if you would like. But right underneath the description box, there is a text box that says paste any web address along with 5 icons. Paste any web address. This is if you choose to connect your Anchor account or your Medium account to your Wakelet. That way other people can see it directly from your Wakelet. Now over here to the right, we have 5 icons. You're mostly going to use 3 of them for this class. The other 2 don't really apply to this lesson. But the first one is add a text box. If you click it, it's going to bring up this add text. And you can write anything you choose here. You have the option to bold, italicize something, underline. You can organize this any way you'd like. And then you click the X button. And it pops up right here underneath the previous text box. So if you wanted to add something above your previous description, you go over here back to the 5 icons, and you can add another text or add a picture. So if we click add a picture, it's going to bring up these 4 options. I prefer you choose upload an image or choose from Unsplash for this particular project. So photos from Unsplash, you type in the type of photo you want. Let's type in apple. And let's use this picture. So when you collect an image, it's going to pop up right here on your page. Just like that. So this is great if you choose to add an image from your PBL project. And underneath you can add a description of it, describing what's in the picture, describing what's not in the picture. That way you can give your audience a little bit more of an explanation. If you choose to add something underneath, you want to click this little plus sign at the bottom. There, it gives you the same text box as it did on top. You click the icon that you choose to use, and you just type in what you choose. Same concept, you click the X, and it pops up right there. And this is very simple. It organizes your entire work. If you wanted to click this icon, you can also add it to your social media pages or YouTube channel. Of course, this takes some prior knowledge on these, but as far as the actual Wakelet goes, this is how you create one. Very simple. All your work will be in one place, and for me to view and for everyone else too. Now, I just want to show you a quick example of what a Wakelet can look like. Back here on my home page. So this is one that I created. As you can tell, I uploaded my own pictures. I added a description right underneath each picture. And that's exactly how your Wakelet should look at the end of it. And if you have any questions, of course, you can always ask me. But I hope that this helps y'all.